Well, I duped the thing before. Anyway, so there's another fan for Rudy. There's a screw. There's a 6502 chip. There's some other things. I don't know what I will need here. I don't know. Yeah. So I'm going to attempt to put this. What have I done? What have I done? Oh, okay. Here's the memory. Here's the board. See, they're the same, and yet very different. Here is the switch assembly, which I will use the other switches, and then I will see about having this go onto the things here. So, you know what? Right? No, I'm not getting into that trick where I unplug the keyboard and then I can't get it back in. Oh, no. What is hanging out? Oh, it's the monitor cable's hanging out. Okay, so we're going to get this in position somewhat. And it should go onto these legs. It should go nicely onto them. And then, using the same screws that came out of these legs, I should be able to put these and mount this properly. It's good to be able to mount things properly. Okay. So, where is the other? Oh, there's the tower. Oh, here's the monitor cable getting. Oh, well, it's kind of stretched because this is open more than it normally would be. Oh no, I just dropped the screw. I dropped the screw. Oh, okay. Hang on. Yeah, this is more complicated. I need to take this off. And get it out of here so I don't lose it. Okay, on this version of the SuperPET. Oh, come on, you. Okay, there's a ribbon cable that plugs onto the bottom board here. There is, and I would like to think that I have it in position, and it's on. It feels like it's on. Okay, so that's a good. Now, I'm going to try and get this cable on while I'm here, and I can. Oh my golly. At least that is the plan. These cables do not have a whole lot of length to them. And they're stiff. Like they've been on here 45 years or so. They don't like to be flexible. And chances are if they were flexible, they'd break. Okay. Come on. There's 2 rows of pins. They're not bent. Come on. All right. Let us take a breath. Where? Back here are my glasses. And I'm not sure that they will do much good because I'm really not that close. No, I'm not. And these look a little dirty. Right, maybe if I do get this up kind of in position, maybe that will help. That looks like it's off kilter. Okay, there. Okay, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on. Get down. Okay. We are connected. Now, perhaps we can be mounted. Perhaps. Maybe I'll try and get this front one first. Because I'm here. These are fiddly things that have to be done. Just so you can't rush this stuff. You must bring your patience. Okay, now that's attached. That's in position. It almost feels like things are of a different height here. Maybe they are. Maybe they are. Well, maybe we can just get away with two of these. See, these, they really didn't have the right mounting brackets in the other machine. They did not. Oh no, 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 no. The screw is trying to fall. Okay, that's going in. Now, it should be that the third one, if I have the first two in, the third one should just go in and be perfect. And of course, it's not. So, we're not going to do that. Alrighty, so now we have the keyboard cable in. We have the monitor cable in. Now this is where things get a little different. See, the power on this one doesn't go to the main board. Oh, these glasses are dirty. Ugh. The main power goes to this board. It does. And then there's a jumper that goes down to this board. All right. This looks mighty stretched. I think I'm going to undo it for a second. Stick it over here. This is the, oh, you know what? I'm going to just move that out of the way. I've got to get the board in. That's the cable that goes to the monitor. Okay, now, here is the RAM board. There it is. And got this other funny little upright board. Okay, so we got it switched around because this is the way it should go. And then I think, okay, there's another power cord cable thing that goes up here. Three things. Now, I believe that I can get this properly screwed. I think I can. I would like to have it some. This is certainly much better and secure than the last time. Now, oh, did I? I dropped a screw. Did I pick it up? I don't think so. I don't think so. Oh. I think it's down here. So we'll get the grabber and grab it. All right. Now, I believe I can get this moved over into position over the leg. And get it screwed in. At least I think that's what the screw was for. I could be wrong. It doesn't actually look quite the same. Maybe it wasn't. Maybe, is there something else in here? Yeah, that screw might have been possibly from a Commodore 64, which is a very different thread. I mean, it's holding it. I could leave it, but I will not. I will get this out. Because really, the legs on this are not complete. It's not. It's not. It's not. Okay, come on. Let's get you lined up. Okay, it's going in. Okay, so now there's a ribbon cable here that also has to go on. And there's probably more mounting things. There probably are. But oh well. Not at this juncture. Also, here we have the wires to go to the switches on. Maybe I should have got those on before. Oh dear. Maybe I should have got those on before putting that board on. Maybe, possibly. But I should be able to. I think. Oh, I don't like this. Hang on. I'm going to put this back down on the hood holder. And then come around and try and weasel that on. Oh, I had it. And then it popped off. I had it. Okay, get the wires under the board. Oh, come on. I don't want to take this off. I don't want to take this off. But I don't want to hurt things. Okay. The plugs are on. So, what have I forgotten? I don't want to turn it on before I'm sure. Okay, the keyboard is connected. The switches are connected. The ribbon cable is connected. The power is connected. I think it's okay. I am wondering, maybe I'll stop right now and ponder this, make sure I've got it just tickety-boo, and maybe we'll call Rudy. So thanks for coming. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.